This fish, you see that my grandmama where you cook am for you, she too much. If you put one for mouth, you will carry 5 gari, follow am.
Myself.
So I don't put fish for mouth, look.
1, 2.
Mommy, follow that side. Follow that side.
3. Hey, wahala, not too much. 4. Yeah. Now so.
5.
Complete. Don't complete.
Because of the taste of the fish.
The fish.
And the motor.
See the sweet that
yes.
They download that the sweet.
You see one thing. Some people they go see this thing. They go say no, this thing are disease. And they make us they live long, but they don't know.
But you like you don't tell they say they eat this food that being like when our forefathers them and then.
Now what did they use take brought us up?
Okay.
What we go bush, we go farm. Nowhere to do fire, everything. Just put water, put this one. When inside motor. Without the eat.
They clear big, they farm big place. They give strength, they farm where.
Any people where they born for the year, they eat this food.
Small picking self, that they put am for a mouth. You know they squeeze in face. They enjoy them.
Small people where they born.
Small picking. My baby now they sleep. If not, I for carry and come make you see him. Put them for a mat. You go they lick and wear. You see him? And so it just be. You don't do. You go do. Make you get up. Oh, this food not go reach me again. No.
You dey pursue me. We go there till the food go finish. We go there till you go finish. We want to make a Ijaw native soup. Say na so, Mama. Na Ijaw native soup we want to buy. Your Ijaw native soup.
Ijaw native soup.
Native soup.
Ijaw native soup.
I want eat the soup. Now we dey prepare so.
We go
use fish.
They go put fish in now. They go chop am now.
Now we go chop am together now. But they use fresh fish. I mean a dry fish.
Now dry fish now. Look at it. And this one I be dry fish.
Okay,
fresh one not day today.
Okay. If you want one, now the fresh one ain't good. I mean a dry one.
Now dry one.
Now what I want here be that dry fish.
For the Krigina.
For the
Krigina.
Krigina. Let me the name of the soup.
Ijaw.
Krigina.
Krigina. Now go take do the Krigina. This is dry fish. Now we go take the drum.
Sweet well.
It is sweet. It is sweet well.
Mama don't come. Say the sweet well. I want it Ijaw soup today. Krigina. Now we want prepare so. We are boiling water to make it, but then we continue with the soup. We will enjoy the food soup today. Hey, the Queen of African culture is here with Mama making Ijaw native soup. Krigina. Yes, I cannot come to Ijaw and go back without eating their native soup. See me see river Niger big. Yeah, see na.
On our side,
We don't get this one for our side though. This big river, no, we not get them. We not get them. So I touched down Ijaw and I decided to eat their food, their local food. They said the name is a Krigina. Yes, so that's what we are preparing today, me and Mama. You can see we are boiling water. Even though the water is stressing me and Mama, but we will manage. And I want to make us women be that. So this is the gari that we'll be using to eat, the Krigina soup. Mama said I will enjoy the soup, say the sweet well, so I will like them. But so I go enjoy if the gari is small hot. So yes, we're at the right time. So this is our fresh gari, looking yummy and fresh. Mama, this gari is sweet though. It's sweet. The water don't boil though. We don't the water don't boil. Krigina about to touch down. Yes, so hi, it's about to go down. Chai, everywhere is too. I will eat local food today for Ijaw land. This one food cooked by the most oldest woman. We don't dey for marriage for how many years? Mama say na marriage come Ijaw. You fall in love with the Ijaw man, come Ijaw land. Na pepper with that. Give me my whole.
They tell it. They quite there.
They give the garri levels. Maybe for fine.
No.
Oh, I'm making this soup. Come on, remind me the name of the soup again. Say
Krigina.
We're preparing Krigina now. Yes, it's about to go down. Ijaw soup. Now the fish we will use this one. It's quite easy fish. Dry fish. Yes, I'm in the land of fish. What's the name of this fish now? Afor. Oh, Afor. Afor. Oh. We're going to enjoy it with fish. Yes, so this is not my first time to eat this soup. Okay, they will put them for fire too. Everything fire go touch and so that it will be locally. Yes, so they watch your hand when they're hot. Sorry.
Where I am, Shako. Not wait. Making my telephone. A tunnel. Don't phone now. Oh, and then I'm out. Wall.
We don't make garri finish. We still say we wait for. We don't do garri finish. We just wait for the soup. So everywhere don't they do. You want to come join us for the soup? You know, now women in the kitchen. Now women in the kitchen. Okay, then I will do the testing. Okay, that is still not safe. No, you don't go spoil that. No, come on, no. Oh, smoke.
Get up now.
Smoke. Oh, Mama, why you put the crayfish for fire?
I go. Vitara. I go do it.
What's happened?
That one.
Now, so this is a native soup direct. Now the smoke go pursue also. What is account? Okay. Account. Okay. Make you know the stuff for belly. I've been so you just. My pound now. Instead of 1 pound. Yes, we are pounding it. If I no touch our garri, the fly they give protein there for body. We are doing it African way, locally. This one is called the Ijaw soup. 3 women in the kitchen, 2 young people with granny. Yes. Hey, we are already there.
Tell it. Water rich.
Should be na so the water so it's okay now. It's okay. Small. We're adding salt to give it a taste. Small. Yes, so. Hey, I know. We are good. Hey, they never put fish, you don't sweet though.
I don't roast them.
Hey, but they never put fish, it is sweet though.
When the fish, and the scent.
That's where you put for fire. That's
I will cook with the corner. I will
put for me
cook.
small again.
Oh,
Put for me small again. Put for me again. Sweet well.
Once I don't tell them.
This one can see carry head, they don't come out. So don't burn.
Put small water.
Oh, this one they enter. Oh, I know they see how the thing go take download. So everything I hear will happen. No, we put them for fire.
No.
You mean
I don't cook and finish.
we don't cook finish be like this.
I don't cook and finish. Krigina with the corner.
Yes.
Water rich.
Yes.
The fish soak the water finish you.
Mama, I don't reach.
The fish. Tell you.
You don't finish. Carry come. We go wash and all of us will eat.
No. Push myself.
I'm not put plenty.
No block.
You don't do. Food you don't ready, you don't sweet finish. What can I come there? Kai! If we chop fringe for here, we carry come serve una for them. But we enjoy Krigina first. But give me water, man. Wash my hand. Wash your own to sit down. We chop food. Sit down. Mama, I don't wash it back. Oh yeah, food don't ready. I don't wash my own. Food don't ready. Hey! You enter my camera wherever. Oh yeah, it don't be. Hey! I dey eat Ijaw food today. So na Krigina. How? This one dey easy to cook. You no need to go stress yourself. We would dey call am for our place akworakwo. Now we dey call am akworakwo. Abi Onyigbo akworakwo. But we no dey put am down. That one wey you burn for fire. We no dey put that one. Then we dey put okpeye.
That long one.
No, okpeye.
Not the longest.
Wetin seed? Wetin dey call am? They call okpeye seed sef. They good where they give taste like Maggi or soup. Hey, I'm enjoying myself today in Ijaw land. You mean Mama give us fish more chop then?
Chop now.
You know, I will put her collect fish. That's all that they do.
Chop fish.
See fish. Krigina.
Another one, not the chop. Another person, not the chop.
And we'll carry go give them make them chop. Make them follow too. Where they go, will they come with you? Oh, the food tastes nice, though. You mean where we go keep them? Oh, Krigina, where we go sit down?
No, not the dead table.
For grand, I'm not supposed to chop this one for grand.
For grand, I mean. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh boy, they eat.
Uncle, wash your hand.
Wash your patch.
Wash. We dey enjoy native food. Me na my first time why they eat am.
This one they serve like 20 persons.
You mean am?
You know finish at today so.
As e dey like this.
You know finish.
You go serve how many people?
There are 20 persons.
20.
20 like this, I dey tell you.
All of us there go chop and no finish.
No finish. As they chop the food, they multiply, they go.
We don't need anybody here again.
We don't pursue us. This food don't pursue us for us.
Go.
They don't pursue us for our food though. Say God.
This one as you dey
I like your liver. See as you don't enter. I beg go myself. I don't follow too. I don't vex too.
I don't dey follow you for Facebook.
ASAP. See as I dey enjoy your food for your place. Krigina. This one sweet die.
This fish, if you put one for mouth, you will carry 5 gari, follow am.
Man, see as you do.
So I don't put fish for mouth, look on.
1, 2,
Mommy, follow that side. Follow that side.
3. Hey, wahala not too much. 4. Yeah. Now so
5.
complete. Don't complete.
Because of the taste of the fish
The fish.
and the motor.
See the sweet that
Yes.
they download that the sweet.
You see one thing. Some people they go see this thing, they go say no, this thing are disease. And they make us they live long, but they don't know. And they talk, they shop, leave me, they crazy.
Who they thought they live, they eat, they go. Who they thought they eat, they go.
This one are real food. Real food.
Pure native.
Even Ramsey Noah herself, when we Nollywood actor. Ramsey Noah, you know what they miss? In they miss to shop bole. You know bole now? Ripe plantain, roasted ripe plantain. If you come out for street, no way. People get the rush out. Because they don't celebrate you.
But me and you, they eat anything we like.
Would they chop anything? They live long.
Enjoy them.
My father lived for 113 years before he died.
You get people will cure and get malaria will cure.
If you eat, I will cure malaria, cure fever.
Yes, ask anybody will tell you. Ask them for you.
If you just dey sick, you just chop and don't go.
So the shame as I dey sweat so. As you dey sweat
As
so.
I dey sweat like this, they come out something on my body.
Come out sickness so.
But you like, you don't the way they say they eat this food that being like when our forefathers them and then.
Now what did they use take brought us up?
Okay.
When we go bush, we go farm. Nowhere to do fire, everything. Just put water, put this one. When inside motor.
As
Without
this
they
one,
eat.
They clear big, they farm big place. They give you strength, they farm where.
See how they take discover this food for bush, yeah?
I
At that time, nowhere to buy things, they cook, but pepper, they bush, some countries, they bush, fish, they river. You go first, go hunt for fish or meat, bush meat, come prepare them for bush, chop them.
fresh pepper, they everything complete for that bush where they find. So you know, you don't, it's no need to come as first. You eat them for bush.
And since then, I see they eat them till now.
This one has eaten some. This night, you must to bite it. You know, harm you.
So if any child where they born for this place, they eat this food.
Huh?
Any pikin where they born for here, they eat this food.
Small pikin self that they put am for a mouth. You know they squeeze in face. They enjoy am.
Small pikin where they born.
Small pikin. My baby now they sleep. If not, I for carry and come make you see am. Put am for a mouth. He go dey lick am well. You see am? And so he just did. You don't do. You go do. Make you get up. Oh, this food not go reach me again. No.
If they pursue me, we go there till the food go finish. We go there till it go finish. This one.
You see that my grandmama where you cook am for you? She too much. She sabi am well well.
We enjoy you.
We're enjoying ourselves here.
Yeah, I'm very proud of you. As I dey very proud of it because when I say, you dey even dey fear.
Fear wetin? Fear wetin? Food.
Some kind people they go dey.
Yes, sir.
They say am.
They get the fear.
Oh, I don't enjoy your food today. We say, Popo, wetin? Krigina. I don't enjoy. Krigina. I don't enjoy it today. I I eat them, I enjoy it, sweet. They do me like I don't even leave them, come on, but I say, be so. Now well done. It's just soup and food. Thank you.
Hi, what are they doing? What are they doing? Swallow it.
I tell you, so this one will serve like 20 persons.
And you got some. And the still remain.